Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
See, what they have taken, it is not in the constitution and it is not by the law in
any place.
It is a custom of the certain society. Everybody is not, some people are not facing. So that relay system, it is not in constitution, it is not rule.
So you have taken a lot of initiative in the DCP. Recently there is news about MIKA SINGH, the Punjabi singer has...
See, I will tell you one thing, I already read that. That comes under violation of CRZ. CRZ will act accordingly. If it's something to do with town planning, we'll act. What Mr. Aldankar said, I think answers your question about what a panchayat has passed. So then that solves. So I totally agree with him. And second thing is, you understand, I have my things, my stand, my board meeting, whatever I am doing is transparent and it is there. People from the industry, town planning, Institute of Town Planning, everybody is on board. By 17th, all the suspension will be lifted because the reports will be submitted to the board, which will adopt.
So you suspended a lot of ODPs.
Yes. So what's wrong?
But there's nothing wrong there.
You want somebody to get away with
No, I'm not like that.
My thing is very clear, is that a person should know, and people of Goa's confidence should build up in the system, is that anything can be opened up at any time if it is wrong and illegal. We want business sentiment, we want people to invest in the state of Goa. Everybody who has got their rightful things will continue to do business in the state of Goa. But if somebody has taken tenanted land or converted a non-development slope or converted Khazan lands, I think all the media is in agreement with me that these things should not happen. Otherwise, you will see who is bringing people, who has partnered with people coming from North India and from Delhi and other things. Who is partnered? Who are these 30% partners? Who are these 40% partners? This will come in the report that I am tabling on the house. So just be a little patient.
So, but what about the officers? The same officers who have been there?
Listen to me. If y'all are defending the state as press or y'all are trying to protect somebody who is asking you to ask me some question. 1 minute, let me. Of course, they have given me all the information what is to be given, not to me, to the committee. Many times I am a minister, I can influence somebody's decision in the department, and ultimately it is written there. X, when he was chairman of so and so, these are the things that have been converted. We were told to do these things. There was also a situation where things have been done, and let me be very frank and clear. There is no witch hunt here. It is in general on tenanted land, tender on NDZs. If anybody, whoever, how big it is, whether it is MIKA SINGH or whoever, action must be taken on the people and violators.
So there were a lot of allegations about land killing in Talegaon, but that ODP has not been suspended.
Listen to me. That's a 3.5 years old story. Are you happy? Where are you from?